Welcome to another episode of the Tech Experience. I am your host, James Setzer, and here at the Tech Experience, our focus is to teach you how to become better at technology. We have another jam-packed episode on today, so stay tuned as we jump into the demo. All right, so this is going to be a very quick tutorial. I want to get straight to the point here. There's really no reason to drag things out. So, in order to utilize Apple Pay, what you first want to do is open your Apple Wallet. So, you simply type in wallet in the search tab there, click on wallet, and then you can see here if you don't have any cards associated with your account, then of course this will be blank. But as you add cards, then you will see them populate here. And one way that you can go about adding a debit or credit card is simply pressing the plus icon in the top right hand corner. So you tap that, and then you can see there you have an option to add a debit or credit card. So you click that and you simply just go through all of the required information, and it's pretty straightforward. There are some issues that you can run into, and of course Apple has some support documents on that, and also depending on the bank or um, the bank that you're dealing with. Let's say you want to add a Wells Fargo card. Well, they also have troubleshooting steps within Wells Fargo's support repository as well. So you're able to either go the generic route by looking into the Apple support docs, or if it's for a specific card or specific bank, you can definitely take a look at whatever bank or card you're having trouble with. So you do have that option. All right, so in order to add a card, again, you just simply tap add debit or credit card, go through all the information, and once that's added, you go back. Let's assume that you've added the card, right? After you do that, what you want to do next is go to settings. So open your settings and scroll down to wallet and Apple Pay. You click on that, and you can see that you also have the option to add a card within the settings app as well. So it will take you through the same exact steps. So you can do that as well if you choose to do so. But what I want to show you guys is the one definite feature that you want to have enabled in order to make Apple Pay as simple as possible is you want to have this double click side button enabled, right? You want to make sure that's enabled, because what that will allow you to do is simply double click the side button, and you can either, depending on which iPhone or device you're using, you can either do a face scan, type in your code, or do a fingerprint scan, and then hold it up to the payment device, and voila, you're able to pay directly from your iPhone using Apple Pay. And it's really that simple, but you have to make sure you have double click side button enabled. And you just simply turn it on. You make sure that you see the green highlighted there and that the icon is on the right hand side. So that will visually show you that you do have this function enabled and that you're able to utilize the side button. So I'm just going to show you really quick. So if I were to double click the side button, you can see it asks for my Face ID. I gave it that, and then now it's asking me to hold it near the payment reader. And again, it's that simple and straightforward. Once you do that, you have officially utilized Apple Pay. Now, in the near future, I will also be giving a complete tutorial of Apple Wallet. So again, today is only about Apple Pay. All right. That is it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, there's so many features that you can take advantage of by utilizing this wonderful application. So definitely take advantage of the features that make sense for your particular situation. All right, with that being said, be sure to like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also click the link in our description if you want to submit a question about a topic or a general question about anything related to technology. All right, with that being said, I hope you all have a blessed day.